guys, it's Mickey from T3 Home Solutions, and I just got a notification that it's here. It looks like it's here. The August lock is here. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy and see what we got. Before we continue with our unboxing, I just wanted to say smash that like button, go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell notification to get future videos about what we can do with your Airbnb. Alright, so we're at our door, we're going to start installing the lock. First thing we're going to do is, as you can see, we have an old existing quick set pad entry. I'm going to go ahead and replace that with our August lock on the inside. For us, we're going to take some electrical tape, we're going to place it right across the front so that the piece itself doesn't fall out when we're trying to change everything over. So it's going to keep it from falling onto the other side. So I'm going to take my handy dandy doorstop. Thanks, Anthony. We're going to put it in front to make sure that the door doesn't scoot on us too far. And we're going to, for this set, take off the backing. Always disengage your power set. And we're going to take off our two screws, one on either side. So once you've got your screws out, side and side, and some of them have a bottom screw as well, be careful of that. You can pull your piece straight off. Make sure that you disconnect with a firm pull from the power piece, and then your piece is loose. So you remember we placed our electrical tape on the other side. That's going to become really important during this step. So we're going to remove the screws, holding the front plate and the back plate together. And remove our back plate. So in our situation, because we had a data cable that went from the front to the back of the lock, we have a cord that we're going to just tuck out of the way. If you're in a situation where you have just a normal deadbolt, that's fine. You keep entry with a non-input, then you just don't have a cord to worry about. You don't have to worry about that step. Next thing, so the next step is you're going to take your August provided entry plate, and you're going to take the bolts from the previous lock and you're going to remove those. Insert them into the August provided piece, and you're going to use the same existing bolts. That way we know it already fits on the door, and we know that it's already designed to make your life easy. You're going to make sure that the black feet on the back are against the doorway, and when you insert it, you're going to go into the existing two holes, one on either side of the lock port. And then you're going to screw them in place. Alright, I've got my hand around the door, make sure the lock doesn't move, and I'm going to go ahead and screw in with not a ton of pressure, just enough to get it to hold on both sides. Now that you've got your plate installed, you're going to locate your receiver. This is one of three different colors, blue, yellow, and green. For us, we're using the green one for the quick set. We use the August app to identify exactly which one we can grab, but you can also go on the website and figure out exactly which one you should use. Our specific one has a D shape, so it's square on three sides and then round on one. If your D is backwards, just flip it around, making sure that the little notch is on the top, the big notch is on the bottom. Follow me this way, you'll notice that we're then going to put it on the receiver piece, facing the same way, with the little notch up. Just press it into place. It's loose. Then you're going to take your lock itself out of the box, and you're going to find on the back there's these two little wings on the bottom. You're going to open these little wings, and with your center notch up and the August symbol down, you're going to press it so that it green piece goes directly into, or your blue or yellow piece I should say, goes directly into the lock, and you're going to push it all the way against the door and then close your wings down. At that point, your lock is actually installed. There's one last step before you get situated. You're going to grab the August button here, and by pushing that, you're going to actually push off the magnetic faceplate, which is a really cool feature they've added. And then you're going to pull your tab to activate your battery. When you do that, your lock will light up, and everything will be ready and set. You're going to put your magnetic piece back on. And then from there, you're going to set the parameters of your lock, making sure that you are calibrated in and that everything is looking good. We did install the Wi-Fi Connect bridge, which means that we also have the possibility to lock and unlock this piece from anywhere we have Wi-Fi. So if I'm sitting in the Caribbean and I forgot to lock my lock, I can still lock it. Or if my plumber comes and leaves and forgets to lock it, I'll know. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. We're really glad that you stopped by. We know that we're growing our channel and we want to thank you very much for the love. So go ahead and hit subscribe, smash that like button, throw us some love. It always helps our algorithm out. We really appreciate it. We really appreciate you. In fact, because you stayed around this long, we want you to go down to the description. We want you to notice that we've got a code where you can actually get a discount on an August lock for you in your home. Go ahead and check that out and give us any feedback in the comments below.